Welcome to the Autocad manual. Today, let us draw this figure. So I'll begin by drawing 8 circles. The first circle has a diameter of 15 millimeters. Therefore, select the center diameter option. Then from this point, I'll type 15 to press enter. The second circle has a diameter of 32 millimeters. Therefore, from this point, I'll type in 32 to press enter. The third circle has a diameter of 62 millimeters. Therefore, from this point, I'll type in 62 to press enter. The fourth circle has a diameter of 74 millimeters. So from this center point, I'll type in 74 to press enter. The fifth circle has a diameter of 80 millimeters. Therefore, from this point, I'll type in 80 to press enter. The sixth circle has a diameter of 86. So from this common center point, I'll type 86 to press enter. The seventh circle has a diameter of 98. So from this common center point, I'll type 98 to press enter. And the last circle has a diameter of 120. So once again, from this same common point, I'll type 120 to press enter. Now let us draw a line at an angle of 60 degrees from the 0-degree angle line. So I'll turn on the dynamic mode, and then I'll select the line command and I'll specify this point to be the first point of the line. And then I'll drag the cursor until I get an angle of 60 degrees. This point here. And then let us mirror this line that we have just drawn so that it can be mirrored to the left side of the drawing. Therefore, I'll select the mirror command. Then I'll select this drawing and press enter. After that, I'll select this point to be the first point of the mirror line. And this point here to be the second point of the mirror line. Again, I will draw a line at an angle of 160 degrees from the 0-degree angle line. Therefore, I'll select the line command again and I'll specify this point to be the first point of the line. And then I will drag the cursor again until I get an angle of 160. This point here. Now, once again, let us mirror this line that we have just created so that it can be mirrored to the right side of the drawing. So I'll select the mirror command and then I'll select this line to press it. After that, I'll select this to be the first point of the mirror line. This point to be the second point of the mirror line and press enter again. Now I will apply the mirror command to these two lines, this one and this one, so that they can be mirrored to the lower half of the drawing. So once again, I'll select the mirror command and then I'll select this line and press enter. After that, I'll select this point to be the first point of the mirror line and this point to be the second point of the mirror line and press enter. Now at each point where these lines intersect the fifth circle, I will draw two circles. One has a radius of 3 millimeters and the other circle has a radius of 9 millimeters. Therefore, I'll select the center radius option. And now from this point here, I'll type 3, press enter. Again, select the center radius option. From this same common point, type 9 and press enter. Once again, select the center radius option. From this point, type 3, press enter. Then let us draw a 9 radius millimeter circle from this same center point. So I'll type 9 and press enter. Now I will apply the mirror command to these 4 circles here so that they can be mirrored to the left side of the drawing. So I'll select the mirror command. Then I'll select all these 4 circles. Press enter. Then I'll specify this point to be the first point mirror line and this point to be the second point of the mirror line. Press enter. After that, again I will have to mirror these 4 circles, these ones, this one here and this one here, so that they can be mirrored to the lower half of the drawing to these 2 points. So I'll select the mirror command again. Then I'll select these 4 circles Then I'll select this point here to be the first point of the mirror line, this point to be the second point of the mirror line, and press enter. Now, at the top of the outermost circle, let us draw a circle of 10 millimeter radius. So I'll select the center radius option. Then from this point here, I'll type in 10 and press enter. Let us apply the polar array command to this circle that we've just created. So I'll select the polar array command and then I'll select this circle, press enter. After that, I'll specify this point to be the center point of the array. I'll change the value of the item count from 6 to 10. So I'll type 10 and press enter. Then close the array. Now let us use the tangent radius option to draw a circle of 15 millimeter radius between these two circles, this one and this one. So I'll select the tangent radius option. Then I'll click on this circle here and this one. After that, I'll type 15 and press enter. Now let us apply the polar array command to this circle that I've just drawn. But before I do that, let me trim this part here. So I'll select the trim command and press enter. For that, I'll trim this part, press enter. Then I'll apply the polar array command to this remaining part. So I'll select the polar array. Then I'll select this part here, press enter. After that, I'll select this point to be the center point of the array. And then I'll change the value of the item count from 6 to 10. So I'll type 10 and press enter. Then I'll close the array. Now let us erase all these lines here. And then let us trim and erase all the parts that we don't need. So I'll select the trim command and press enter. And now I'll start trimming. So first I'll trim all these circles. Now I'll start trimming the inside of this circle, this point. So I'll press enter. Now let me erase all the parts that cannot be trimmed. So I'll manually select them. Now I will laser this circle here. Then let me trim all these protruding marks. As you can see, we are done.